The large companies, their existential threats are largely societal and government and compliance and things like
Mhm.
that. One of their biggest threats is the media.
Right.
That's not the case for an SMB. An SMB, you have a supply chain hiccup, it is existential. Plain and simple. I
It
mean,
is.
and you're giving them the foresight and planning that they need.
Absolutely. And so, Chuck, when you do think about the SMB, I think of smaller businesses. We are living in a very tumultuous world these days. Lots of things are happening. A while ago, there was a ship that tipped over in a canal. There are long lines in Long Beach,
Mhm,
California for shipping containers to come in.
mhm,
We've got Ukraine. Now we've got Israel.
mhm,
The list just goes on. We've got long lead times from China.
mhm,
And so when the small business looks at all those things, they kind of need some shock absorbers.
mhm,
All these things come as a shock, and that's
mhm.
exactly what we can provide for customers is to be able to absorb the issues that are popping up that they didn't expect.